Welcome to lesson 12, playing on other keys aside key C. For you to grow beyond the level that you are now, you'll need to be able to transfer everything that you have learned on key C to all other keys. Once you're able to achieve this feat, you can then begin to view yourself as an intermediate player. Although there are still a lot to cover for you to be totally verified as an intermediate player, yet this will place you on that pedestal of professionalism. Now let us quickly learn to play on G. We established in our previous lesson that key G has one sharp note, which is F sharp. We will start by building the major scale on G using the O step, O step, half step, O step, O step, O step, half step interval for major scales. That gives us G, O step to A, O step to B, half step to C, O step to D, O step to E, O step to F sharp, and then half step to G. So we have G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G as the major scale. Now you'll have to repeat the whole training processes ranging from the finger exercises we did on C to identifying the notes on the piano, playing simple melodies on the major scale, accompaniments, building major and minor triads on the degrees of the major scale, and learning to use chords while playing to songs. Now the finger pattern for the G major scale. Okay, let's start with the G to D scale. So we have as the first exercise. Then you play the G major scale. That has the same finger pattern: 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. So you're going to train your fingers just like you did on C. Transfer all the finger exercises you did on C to G. Repeat them all and ensure you familiarize yourself with all the notes of the G major scale the same way you have done so far with the C major scale. Now you also learn to play all the songs we have practiced on G. Let's take Mary Had a Little Lamb for instance. It will go this way. So learn to play the songs with their corresponding accompaniments, build the major and minor scales representing respectively on the degrees of G, and learn to use them to play the songs that you have practiced on C. Now let's start by building. This is a G major scale on the first degree. So the fourth degree note is C, which will be the C major, and the fifth degree you build a major scale on the fifth degree, so you have a D major scale, major chord as the fifth degree, as 1, 4, and 5. Now the 2 chord, which is a minor chord, would be A minor, and then the 3 chord, median 3, is a minor 3, B minor. And then the 6th will be E minor, and then the diminished will be the F sharp diminished, and we have that. So once you know all the once you know all the 7 basic chords, then you can play exactly the same way you've played on C. You can transfer it to the G scale. So I can play Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name in all the earth. How excellent is your name on G. So it's basically transferring everything you've learned on C to G. Master the chords in their different inversions also. The G inversion and C and the D. Learn all the inversions and play all the songs that you already know how to play on G. Now you can pause the video to check the fingering pattern for all the keys. I listed them out: the name of the key, the major scale, and the fingering pattern. That's the finger numbers that you are to use to play the major scale. I'll take the C sharp scale for example. C sharp major scale for example, we have C sharp, E flat, F sharp, A flat, B flat, C, and then C sharp. So the fingering pattern for C sharp is 2 3 1, 2 3 4 1 2, 2 3 1, 2 3 4 1 2. So you descend the same way. So that's just an example. So you have the fingering pattern for both the right hand and the left hand given to you in this table. So learn it. It takes a whole lot of time, practice, commitment, and efforts for you to efficiently and conveniently play on all keys. You can choose to develop yourself beyond the level that you are right now by devoting your time to practice and learning more from players with more experience, or choose to remain on the same level. It is all a matter of choice. We'll stop here today. See you in the next lesson. Bye.